Okay, so with this one, you might think arc sine, if sine of 9 pi fourths, like these two might cancel each other out. Sometimes it works like that, but I would never ever recommend that you try to use that as a shortcut. You very much need to make sure that you understand what's going on here, because the answer to this is not 9 pi fourths, not this time. So instead, what I would suggest that your strategy should be is to go ahead and just carry down the outside part, and then we'll try to evaluate this stuff inside. So kind of peel it away like a onion. So at 9 pi fourths, let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pi fourths, sine is square root of 2 over 2. And then, now that I've done this and simplified it to this, now I'll look at this whole thing and ask myself what angles have a sine of square root of 2 over 2. And that would be right here, of course, but also right here. The range of inverse sine is negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2. So we're interested in this location, not that location. So you might be thinking, well, wait, that location was 9 pi over 4. And yes, that's true. That is coterminal to the answer, but that's not the answer, because the range of inverse sine has to be between these two values. And 9 pi over 4 is much bigger than pi over 2. But a way that you can name the same location between those two is to call it pi over 4. So pi over 4 is the answer. That's why you want to be careful. There's no way that 9 pi over 4 could be the answer to this, because the outside is inverse sine, and inverse sine has to have answers between those two values.